The frequency of oil changes follows the frequency of maintenance intervals. For more details, see the maintenance instructions for your system. Oil should always be changed when the system is at operating temperature. First, remove the dipstick. Now use an SW17 open-ended spanner to remove the oil drain screw at the bottom of the crankcase. Collect the oil in a suitable container. When the oil is fully drained, replace the screw plug. The cast-on seal is designed for multiple use. Now fill up with fresh oil up to the top mark on the dipstick. After an oil change, wait a few minutes before restarting the system.